ShibumiJones. Thanks for joining me today. We're gonna make a sous vide steak, so a sous vide strip loin specifically, with cauliflower three ways. Three ways being we're gonna do a quick beet pickle on some cauliflower florets. We're gonna do a cauliflower puree. And then we're also gonna sear some cauliflower cross sections. So I got my immersion circulator, circulating the water, getting up to temperature. We season our steak. It's over an inch thick, so that's why we're gonna do 90 minutes. If it was a thinner cut, you know, maybe I'd do an hour or less. All right, so before we get this in the vacuum bag, we're gonna season it with a lot of salt, a lot of kosher salt. I like to do a little bit of dried rosemary, some cracked black pepper, seasoned as if you were gonna throw it on the grill, but we're actually gonna put it in a vacuum bag right now. I made this bag a little bit bigger just because when you're vacuum sealing it, the juices tend to run up and you don't want to get them in your seal. We're gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. It's really good. It'll be really good when we reduce the sauce that we have in this bag. We just gotta seal it up. Cut this in half. I'm gonna make cross sections on one side. I'm gonna make florets on the other side, and then whatever's left over we can use for the puree.